First, we remove the cradle electronics from the actual locking cradle. I'm going to save the fasteners for reuse. With the cradle electronics separated from the locking cradle, you can insert the WunderLINQ like normal. And one suggestion is to mount it just below your accessory power port. It can be mounted in such a way that you can access the USB port and see the LED indicator light. Next, we're going to mount the RAM Easy Roller iPad 6 mini mount. We're going to reuse the original fasteners from the BMW locking cradle. We're going to use this 3D printed spacer that will go behind it. This will allow it to pinch against the bar. We'll reuse the back plate and nuts from the BMW mount as well. This is the tricky part, trying not to lose these nuts. Next step, we're going to pair the iPad mini to the WunderLINQ. It's connected. We'll launch the WunderLINQ app. Once your iPad mini is connected to the WunderLINQ, you can now use your Wonder Wheel to control the iPad. Just like you would on an iPhone. Some notes about using an iPad. None of them have an IP rating or any kind of water resistance. So you may want to consider a case or one of those waterproof treatments. The other thing is, to get a real GPS in an iPad, you need to buy the cellular version.